When it comes to choosing between Unity and Unreal Engine in 2025, it really boils down to your project needs. Unity shines with its user-friendly interface and versatility, making it perfect for indie developers and mobile games. Its asset store is a treasure trove, offering countless resources to speed up development. On the other hand, Unreal Engine boasts stunning graphics and powerful tools for high-end games, ideal for those aiming for AAA quality. Its blueprint system allows for visual scripting, which can be a game changer for designers who aren't as code savvy. If you're focused on 2D or mobile games, Unity is likely your best bet. But if you're diving into immersive 3D worlds or VR experiences, Unreal's capabilities will elevate your vision. Ultimately, it's about aligning the engine's strengths with your creative goals. Choose wisely and let your imagination run wild.